We are given the marginal cost and the marginal revenue. Since the PlayStation 4 is sold for an average wholesale price of $400, meaning $400 per PlayStation. So this will be the marginal revenue. And we asked to find the total profit. If we let P be the profits, then the total profit from selling 50,000 to 60,000 will be the integral from 50,000 to 60,000 of the marginal profits, which we will use the lowercase p dx. The marginal profits will be the marginal revenue minus the marginal cost, because capital P of X, the profits, equals capital R of X, revenue, minus capital C of X, the cost. The marginal profits, P of X, equals the marginal revenue, which is 400, minus the marginal cost, 340, plus 0.001x. But because there are two terms in this expression, we have to put them inside the parentheses. Simplifying this, we have 400 minus 340, which is 60, and we distribute the negative sign, minus 0.001x. The answer to our question will be the integral from 50,000 to 60,000, 60 minus 0.001x dx. And we're asked to use 5 subdivisions, so n equals 5. Using 5 subdivision with the Riemann sum, we will have delta x equals b, in this case 60,000 minus a, 50,000 divided by n. And so n in this case is 5. So we have 10,000 divided by 5, which is 2,000. The width will be 2,000. From 50,000 to 60,000, we will divide this interval into 5 equals subdivisions. And remember that the step is delta x 2,000. So the first x is 50,000, the next x will be 52,000, the next x will be 54,000, the next x will be 56,000, the next x will be 58,000, and the last x is 60,000, where we add 2,000 at each step. Using the left Riemann sum, the corresponding height for x equals 50,000 will be 60 minus 0.001 times 50,000. Evaluate this, we will get 10. For the next x endpoint, we plugged in 52,000 into the function 60 minus 0.001 times 52,000. We will get 8. For the next endpoint, plug it into the function 60 minus 0.001 times 54,000. We will get 6. For the next endpoint, 60 minus 0.001 times 56,000, we will get 4. And lastly, for the last left endpoint, 60 minus 0.001 times 58,000, this will give us 2. And so the Riemann sum is delta x times f of x sub 0, because we're using the left endpoint, but x sub 0 is 50,000 plus f of 52,000. We increase 2,000 each time, plus f of 54,000 plus f of 56,000 plus f of 58,000, and we stop because we have 5 terms already. We're using 5 subdivision. This is the left sum using 5 subdivision. Delta x is the width, and we found that delta x is 2,000. thousand. And so we have 2,000 times f of 5,000 is 10, f of 52,000 is 8, f of 54,000 is 6, f of 56,000 is 4, and f of 58,000 is 2. This is 2,000 times 8 plus 2 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30, and so we end up with 60,000. This will be the additional hourly profit.